Hey, what's up, guys? This is Stock Scalper Journey. So today I traded OCG and TKAT. Um, I'm not gonna lie, today was a pretty good day. I had a trade plan. I caught 50 cents, I believe, off OCG, and then I caught about a dollar move with TKAT, my best trade of the day. Now, the move was this big, but I took about this much of it. And because it follows the risk to reward ratio of being profitable, I called it a day after about 10 minutes into the market open, and I was done. I got on with my day. So the setups, I also recorded in my journal. So today I wrote, today was good. I did a lot of stuff today. For trading, it came out to be a great day. I took profits and walked away. Tomorrow I'll trade 100 shares per position. Please, bro, you have this. Trade correctly, and build the confidence to become a professional trader. This weekend I'm going to put together a quality trade plan and make the hotkeys for a stop loss and break even hotkeys for shorting, so to buy back the shares. My emotions were more in control. I was feeling exhilarated as soon as I got into the trade. I'm still trying to get over that emotion. Going down to 100 shares has helped me overcome some really deep down anxiety and fear and greed. Those are feelings, guys, as well. They're not just, it's that feeling of like not having a trade plan. That's just it. You see something moving and you jump on it and you're like, okay, where's this going? What's the stop loss? And it's just a not a very good trade at all. So let me go ahead and bring the camera up here and set this up. Okay. This is the room, guys. Nothing special, just the same old, same old. Let me get this set up for you guys. This is always giving me such a hard time, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm glad you guys can kind of see that. All right. Okay, so here's my mouse right here. You guys can see that I'm on the OCG stock that I traded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring this over. I'm actually gonna close this out. I was making the hotkeys. This is the 1 minute chart, and I shorted this, guys. And I took this move right here and I was out. I sold at the bottom. It consolidated, and you can see that it had made up essentially from 12.25 to about $17. 12.25, 13.25, 14.25, 15.25, 16.25. Almost $4.50, 75-cent move right here. You know, that's a big move, and then it faded for the rest of the day. You guys can see this on the 5 minute chart. You know, imagine shorting from up here and around this, $16, $15 range, and then just it's now trading at $11. That's $5 move right there, guys. So this is a good example of
a failed stock. 200's keeping it up, guys. You guys can see that, but it couldn't hold up at the VWAP, the 20 or the 9 EMA. Still a very good setup for a, could have taken a flat top breakout right here, guys, or high of day right here as an entry. So from right here to right there, or you could have made the first green, red to green move, which would have been right, I'm gonna move this down here, right there. That's the entry right here. Or you could have bought the dip down here off the 20 EMA or the 9, which would have been like right here, VWAP, or the 20, which would have been right here. So there's a multiple parts where you could have entered if one were to have taken this trade. And here's TKAT. I'm gonna see if it would look better. No, I'm gonna move this way a little bit, guys. So here's TKAT. TKAT had a lot of movement today, guys. Like, it failed and then rallied at $20, $19-$20, and then went up to $44 today, guys. That's an amazing move. I didn't catch that. It happened at around 11:30 Eastern Standard Time. I was already at work during that time. But let's look right here, like on the 5-minute chart. You guys can see I had drawn this trend line going down here, and it went up, failed, tapped that trend line right on the T, guys, right to a T. And this could have been an entry right here at about $19 to, you know, the $44, $43, or any part of this. There's multiple entries. I'm going to show you guys. Bull flag breakouts. You could have taken multiple trades right here. Right here. That's the first entry right there. Here's the second entry. Here's the third entry. For the bull flag breakout strategies, there's other strategies here, guys. I'm just showing you one right here. Could have been a bear trap right here. This is a bear trap. This long wick right here, guys, or candle. So what happened was it failed from up here, took all this out, and then squeezed a little bit higher. Now it's starting to hold up here. So bear trap. That's why it's good to take partial profits in this game, guys. A lot of people get greedy or just don't know how to play the game, and they just say, I want the full candle. Well, who's talking? Is it the greedy person in you, or is it the person that looks at the chart and says, well, this is a good risk to reward, this is my target, this is my stop loss, this is my entry, you know, catch most of the moves, sell at the ask up here, you know, but it's just learning how to play the game correctly. So this is my entry right here. I shorted and then I, you know, bought, and essentially this was a good trade. I didn't catch a big move, but you know, when it's a $30 stock, you know, I'm not trading my, you know, $2 to $10 stocks that I like to trade for low cap stocks, but there was a lot of movement here, guys. This was the hottest stock today with moving 33%. So tomorrow I intend to be better, and these are some good examples of bull flag breakouts right here. You know, right here was the squeeze higher, and then the fade down, gap down right here. So I'm gonna show you guys. Yeah, so this was a red to green move, then a fade, all day fade for OCG, and then there was multiple bull flags, breakouts right here. Every time this was the entry, and the entry. Could have taken it, or the dip move right here. This is buying the dip. So you could have got in right here, 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 and then maybe potentially right now could be a good point, but it's so extended off the VWAP, guys, and the 200 still coming in. It's rolling under the 20 and the 9, so I have to wait for some confirmation. You go like this. So YouTube, Martin here, Stock Scalper Journey. I would say today was a great day when it came to how I performed in the stock market. I could get better. One of the ways I could get better is stop being so in and out. Stick to the stop loss and just let it ride. Use the hotkeys for the 15-cent offset stop loss or the break even hotkey after the stock starts to take off to have a break even trade minus ECN and commission fees. Overall, the market's been a really sluggish, guys. There's always going to be a hot stock of a day, and the people who learn to trade stocks can make money any day of the week. Sure, you're going to have losses. That's just the name of the game. It's a part of the game. But to learn how to use the ratios and the statistics is a big part of the game. I highly recommend Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. He even has a 4-part YouTube series of how to trade psychology style, and I highly recommend it. It'll help you viewers understand your emotions when it comes to fear and greed and excitement, because all of that's gambling. Can't be gambling in the stock market. And actually, if you do want to gamble, I highly recommend you do get in the market, because this is going to be the fastest way for you to blow your money. And people like me and other people who are taking it seriously like a profession want your liquidity, want your money. So go ahead if that's the case. But if you're looking to be the best version of yourself, the best trader, and to take this seriously and to always improve, the money will follow. And for those of you who understand that and who know how to make sacrifices and have the discipline to do the stuff that you don't really want to do every day, like I enjoy trading, but the post analysis kind of becomes a headache. This is the part though where I'm getting good, is by analyzing how I traded. But this is kind of one of those things where once you create a routine, it becomes easier. Right now I'm trying to create a routine around post-trading analysis. For those of you who are trading and not using documenting your trades, please start documenting your trades and screenshotting some form of way to document your trade, either through video or pictures, screenshots, and then to reflect on it on a later date so you can travel back in time. And because of the journaling, you can go back and say, hey, this is how I felt. From going forward, I'm going to try this to be better at controlling my emotions. Trading, guys, is wonderful. It's helped me become a better person. I'm more self-aware and mindful. I'm only getting better. I kind of have a lot to work on personally, but I feel taking this trading journey is just going to help me become better. And for those of you who are trading and along in this journey, I wish you guys best of luck. And actually, you know what? You don't need luck. Stick to the trade rule, to the trade plan. You guys will do good. With that being said, like and subscribe. If you guys found value in my video today, write in the comment section what that was and what that looked like, and I'll respond back to you guys. And I'm sending you guys good energy. Have a good day.